Hi guys, so yesterday I have uploaded a video about defective run capacitors, and today I was already called to a room that the air conditioner was not cooling. When the mini split air conditioner inside is working perfectly but it's just blowing out hot air, that is always the sign that the outside unit has a problem. And then when you come there, you will immediately see if the fan is spinning or the compressor is buzzing, and yeah, it was not. And I opened up the machine, and what I found, this here is a completely blown out run capacitor. This is what is left over when it's shorting out and explodes. So this really I found inside the unit laying around like this. So a very violent act, and so you see what a coincidence, just a day later after I have released a video about this. Okay, so I just wanted to show how this looks like, and so thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I see you next time.